Hi, welcome back to another video. Are you struggling with Chaturanga Dandasana? Not to worry. Today we shall learn how to practice Chaturanga Dandasana in 3 stages. Let's start. Let's start with stage 1 of learning Chaturanga Dandasana. Come in downward facing dog. Fingers apart, hands apart. Feet a little apart. Lift your tail high. Engage the thigh muscles. Relax your shoulders. Breathe. Now come in high plank. Take the toes back. Shoulders above wrists. Now move a little forward. Bend the knees. Take the chest parallel to the floor. Relax your shoulders. Look in the front. Breathe in. Come up. Thighs off the floor. Chest pushing forward. Look up. Engage the thigh muscles. Toes pointing backwards. Upward facing dog. Come back in downward facing dog. Once you become good at stage 1, then we will practice stage 2. That is, we will use 2 blocks. Place 2 blocks on the mat. Keep them parallel to each other. Place the hands behind the blocks. And come in downward facing dog. Now come in plank. Take the toes back. Shoulders above wrists. Move a little forward and place your shoulders on the blocks. Look in the front. Breathe in. Push yourself up. Push the chest forward. Look up. Engage the thigh muscles, pointing the toes backwards. Come back in downward facing dog. Now the final stage of learning Chaturanga Dandasana. We will remove the blocks. Coming in downward facing dog. Come in plank. Shoulders above wrists. Move a little forward. Look in the front and go down, taking your chest parallel to the floor. Then upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. And relax. These were the 3 stages of learning Chaturanga Dandasana. If you are a complete beginner, you should start with stage 1. That is, bending the knees on the mat. When you become comfortable with stage 1, then you should move on to stage 2, that is using 2 blocks under your shoulders. When you become comfortable with stage 2, then you should move on to the final position, that is without the knees and without the blocks. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.